I want to talk to you today about a product called Bellafill. You see their advertisement here. They are the 5-year filler, and they are actually FDA approved to say 5 years because they've done the studies and they've shown that they are. So if you're tired of doing fillers every year, filling the same place over and over and over again, it might be time to start thinking about a longer lasting filler. I love this product. I've been using it for years. I actually have some in my own face. In fact, when I decided it was time for me to have a little bit of filler done, this is actually the one that I chose. I've recently, this last year, become an injector trainer for the company, so that's how much of the product I use. I'm teaching other people how to be able to use the product and inject it safely. One of the fantastic things about Bellafill is, in addition to being a long-lasting filler, it also has an FDA indication and approval for use with acne scars. It's one of the only fillers that you can use close enough to the skin to really get some effect on the depression of acne scarring. And because of how Bellafill works, which is that it promotes your own body's collagen production, you get a really nice benefit to the dermis. This is an example of one of the syringes. This is an actual syringe of Bellafill. So it looks a little bit different than some of the other products. The syringe itself contains actual collagen. And embedded in that collagen is a particulate, which is the product Bellafill itself. It's that particulate that we lay into place that produces your body's collagen response that, again, works over years. Because of that, because this is not a hyaluronic acid filler like some of the other popular ones that have been around for years as well, we do have to do a skin test on you. So it's a different syringe than this one. It's a tiny little skin test. We do it right in the crook of the arm here and make sure that you're not having a reaction. I've never actually seen a reaction to it, but the FDA does require that we do it, and so we offer it to anyone who is interested in the product. Again, I'm a user, I'm a teacher, I'm all on board with Bellafill. If you'd like to have a conversation about this filler, give us a call. I'm happy to talk to you anytime. LombardoCosmeticSurgery.com or call the office 760-610-8990, and we'll talk all about Bellafill.